Okay, now go.
Chia.
It was the night before Christmas at the main Dolman pad. Bob was losing again and it was making him mad. Nate and Todd were sipping Bob's brandy with cheer. Rob was eating Bob's food, Kev was drinking Bob's beer. I never get good cards, Bob said with a frown. Eric said, quit whining and deal, Pops, you're going down. Eric's ribbing and jokes, they were flowing like wine. Bob gritted his teeth, the next game is mine. I'm feeling lucky, the stakes need to jump. $10 a game and $5 a bump. The cards, they were played again and again, till Bob had 11 and Rita had 10. Bob looked at his card, he looked at them some more, he said, I'll go 3, Rita said 4.
Which is so typical.
And up from the table there arose such a clatter that Val and Colleen yelled, what the hell is the matter? Dadgummit, you booger, Bob said with a shout. Clubs, Rita said, are you in or you out?
That's pretty good.
Oh my God, that one.
Nate dropped his cards, Rob and Tom did the same. Leah dropped her hand too and said, this is lame. Kev said, I'm out as well, I gotta piss. You got a smirk from Colleen and a shock look from Chris.
That's a knee slapper.
I'm taking you down, Bob said, I'm in. Not this time, dear, Rita said with a grin. She led with the right, then the left, then the ace. The sweat began dripping from the side of Bob's face. Now came the king and finally the queen. I had 4 trump and an ace, whimpered Bob, turning green. Rita laughed such a laugh that has never been heard. The others were silent. They dared not speak a word. Bob started laughing and shaking his head. It's 10 after 8. I'm going to bed.
Classic.
And they heard him exclaim as he rose up the stairs out of sight. Merry Christmas, y'all, and to y'all a good night.
That's awesome.
Oh,
That was good.
that was great.
That's right.